It's always like this. You're doing one thing and then another, and then a semi truck comes in, and now we need to go unload them. So for that, thankfully we have the equipment, which is ready for the hay, which the other thing got here first. So now we need to go change this part to get the fork lift to unload that truck. So you're gonna come into a journey with me today. You're gonna be here and we're gonna go do that. Okay. Thank you.
There's a pen.
Anywhere?
No, on the bottom there.
Oh,
See there where it says
okay.
sign and print.
Here it is. And thank you. See you next time.
Okay.
Bye bye. We're just gonna wait for him to move, as that is our way out. now that we're here, let's go take a look inside. So these ones are hey boys. Hold on. So here we have the glamping domes, like I said, like I mentioned. So you can see there, the windows from those are like super nice. And this one doesn't have a window, it just has a piece of turf covering at the moment. I mean, it does has a window, but it doesn't has any like you know, you don't want to be hearing. I just have a hole, which I think this is what this is pretty much. Kind of nice still, but I like making our life more difficult. So yeah, I'll show you. This one is one of the smaller units. We have 2 small and 4 a little bigger. So you'll see construction, under construction. So they all have, we call them glamping domes. They are available in Airbnb already. So this one is the bathroom, still under construction. This one is, like I said, one of the smaller units. And then you have like an open window over there, which is pretty cool. And you have some sunlight coming in. At night, it looks amazing too. Then you have a his and hers closet, a little kitchen over there. Not kitchen, just like a sink and a coffee area. Let's go see the other ones. Let's go see the ones that are ready. They're ready. Okay. Look how cute. That one is not ready. This one is not ready. I think I'm gonna leave the skid steer over there. If Ben needs to move it, he can. Okay, this one is one of the bigger units. And these 3 are the ones that are, what the heck was that? These ones are the ones that are ready for, what was that? Who was him? You can come here. Let me see, I found somebody. Well, I was gonna show you that, but like I said, farm life! You never know who's gonna come. Do you have a gazebo? I'm expecting a gazebo from Costco. Do you have a gazebo?
I gotta leave it for his car. I don't know where you want it.
Okay. Is it in a pallet? Is it comes from Costco?
I don't know.
No? Let me see. You can just come a little forward and I'll load you over there. I have the skid steer over there.
Yeah, it's that one. It's here, no?
Oh, sí.
Es aquí, no?
Sí, tráeme todo lo que traigas.
Son
James
3
supplies.
paletas.
James. Okay, California. That is for the vineyard. Yeah, son 3 paletas. Mira, te puedes parquear allá enseguida de ese carro, del troque, de la camionetita blanca.
Oh, allá.
Y porque todo eso va para el vineyard.
Okay.
Entonces ahí tengo una puerta, te lo descargo y lo voy y lo meto para allá, te lo descargo y lo voy y lo meto para allá.
Es que quiero para, porque los traigo hasta acá, yo creo que vas a jalarlo con un swap.
¿Tienes una, no tienes
Tengo,
una de
yo
esas?
tengo.
Ok, me lo pones en la orilla nomás y yo lo saco.
No tengo para allá.
Ok, entonces, yo tengo para
ya le hicimos.
Ok.
Entonces, ¿me voy a ir a montar el carrito blanco? ¿Me voy a ir así?
¿Sabes qué? Mejor vete a la cervecería porque
¿Dónde?
él es el que tiene el pallet jack.
¿Dónde?
Entonces, te vas a dar toda la vuelta
Ok.
y ahí vas a ver 2 contenedores grandotes. Te
Ok.
puedes poner en medio de los 2, ahí te sirve.
Vale, gracias.
Thank you.
Para seguirlo, para seguirlo.
Sí, yo te voy. Ok, o me sigues o te sigo. Ya.
Yo me voy acá.
Oh.
Para seguir haciendo delivery.
Ok.
Ahí te espero.
Sobres. I love when I have like Hispanic drivers. So now we know the tour we'll have to go in another video, because looks like today we're just unloading stuff from, we always have deliveries since we have the dairy, the creamery, the brewery, the vineyard. We have a lot of things going on here. Sometimes it's a little too much, but we can deal with it. My team, I love my team. I have really nice people and helpful people that never say no to me. And so you're gonna be over here again. Okay? Oh, I can't say. I need a drink. Okay, you're gonna be there again. people, I'm not answering calls today. Somebody's calling me. Sí, acá lo tiene él. Este chico tiene uno bien macizo. Andrew, can we use your pallet jack just to get some stuff? Can we use your pallet jack just to get some stuff out of him? Can we use your pallet jack so we can get some stuff out of there? It's vineyard stuff, but we just need to drag it. Ay, qué rico huele. It smells really good. Like food. And you had to put them all the way over there? Ah. Oh, pero, and how are we gonna get the pallet jack up here?
The skid steer.
Oh.
Or if he wants to like put the back of this truck over the concrete there, we can use the straddle truck.
Pero con el pala ya lo rico yo.
Okay.
Y ahí lo bajas.
Okay. Entonces, pero para subir el pallet jack para aquí, pues.
Con el dolly ese.
Con el dolly.
O dámelo aquí, arrímalo aquí, donde lo jalamos.
Pallet jack. Pallet jack. ¿Dónde está? Yeah.
We're just gonna lift it up there, him and I.
Okay. That's why I got you with the mufflers. I'm doing a video because I haven't posted anything on YouTube. I made this YouTube page and I feel bad because I haven't posted anything. It's not like I don't do anything all day, but that was Andrew. He's our brewmaster. And we work as a team here. We work as a team here, right? Team. And I mean, even if the load is not for him, he's one of the nicest guys around here. He always like, oh yeah, let's do it. You know, it's not like, oh no, that's not my department. I shouldn't be helping you. No, everybody helps each other around here as much as we can. So yeah, look, these ones are empty. We have some grain. We have, I'll give you a sneak peek over here. We have another 2 fermenting tanks, and the cleaning, he's doing a cleaning right now. He's cleaning some tanks at the moment. And we have the canning line system and labeler over there, that one. So yeah, I like this room. It's really nice. Let's see how it does in the summer with those fans. We might need those like Costco ones. They're like so huge.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
more like commercial.
The big ass fans. Yeah.
And I can send those to the cows.
I'm gonna get
keep it
like a
nice.
fan for the doorway to like put in the doorway and pull air out
Oh,
for the summer because it gets so brutal in there.
one of those round ones.
Yeah.
I think. Well, we used to had one. I don't know where it's at. Okay, thank you, Andrew. So now we're going back in there to get him out. Ah, qué bien.
Que me ayuda a pujar porque está bien pesada.
Déjame hablarle a alguien, pero el problema es que no tengo teléfono. A ver. Más, no voy a alcanzar. Un poquitito más.
No, ahí la agarro, nomás súbele.
Sí, pero no me va aquí.
No, mira, dale, yo te digo.
Me haces quebrar los picos y vas a ver, No está tan largos. Sometimes I think I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I built this place. I do know what I'm doing.
poquito así. Préndelo. Ahí cayó.
Okay.
Métele. Ahí está. Ahí derecho. Ahí se fue. Ahí así.
¿Necesitas que te firme algo?
Sí.
Para ir a poner este para allá para atrás de una vez.
Llévatelo con cuidado,
Sí.
Espérame ahí.
Son muy salvajes.
Casi no sale machín. Como pocas mujeres las hacen.
Soy la jefa aquí, pues.
¿De veras?
Soy la dueña. Ya.
¿Oh, tú eres la dueña?
Ajá. Sí.
Mucho ver,
Mucho.
sin conocer.
¿Vienes seguido a dejarnos cosas o no?
A veces sí.
Sí. Soy mexicana,
Bendito
la
Dios.
jefa aquí,
Bendito
para que no
Dios.
digan que nomás venimos a quitarles el trabajo.
Eso, ahí abajito,
¿Verdad?
abajo, ahí, nombre y apellido. No, tiene razón, porque no digan que nomás venimos a buscar
¿Verdad?
trabajo.
Les venimos a dar trabajo también, no sean cabrones.
Y me da gusto verme hispanas.
¿Verdad?
No, ¿sabes qué? Vamos a bajar el par y
Ah, sí.
me suben los picos nomás y yo te los pongo ya la baja.
Pues dejo este entonces aquí.
Mira, muévelo. Ponlo ahí.
Ok.
Dame tomar tu copia esta.
Muy bien.
Yo voy para Douglas, pues.
Ah, sí. Ah, qué gusto.
No, gusto mucho.
¿Verdad que cuando te cambian las luces, cuando te hacen doble la luz, ¿verdad que es una cortesía, no es algo rudo?
No, es cortesía o puede ser que algo está pasando allá.
Ajá.
Yuri, ¿qué? Ok, Yuri.
Beauty churrito.
Mira, ponlo para arriba.
Ok. Ay, pues espérame. Ok.
Un poco más para decir eso. Pon ahí,
Y se la voy a poner en el cemento mejor. See you. Ya todo le atoramos. Andrew, we're gonna leave him his pallet jack over here. No me gusta meterme para el cemento. I don't like stepping on cement. I'm gonna leave this here because I need to know where Joaquin wants all this. So I'm gonna have to take it over there. The smallest one is the heaviest, and they put a pallet that it was so bad.
Really?
I was just like, really? You know?
What is this stuff? Pro tube?
Yeah, it's for the new ones. The new ones that we're gonna plant. These have a lot of empty spaces.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have been here, but the rows don't go all the way to the fence
Yeah.
because we had the pomegranate.
It's like funny back there.
So we're gonna keep going with the landscape.
Um, vegetable garden over there. Like, then maybe we can make a real attempt at like supplying the kitchen and stuff
I think it will be better that.
out there. That'd be cool too.
It has like a lot of, and then we can grow like a row of roses. 5 roses. We just
Oh,
ran
yeah.
out of money.
Yeah.
Hopefully, I'm gonna go ask him.
You know, it'd be kind of fun, kind of goofy. We put the mini golf course there. That'd be fun.
That would be cool. But it has to have like grass. Fake grass.
I think most of the time it's fake grass.
Or even just like here.
Around here.
In the courtyard.
Oh no, for the courtyard, I think we should put in a bocce ball court. Bocce ball? It's this game that's super Italian, and it's like you just like throw this little ball like out across the court, and then the object is to get like your ball as close to that as possible. It's super Italian. The out in Hershey, Pennsylvania, there's like the Hershey Italian Club, and they had bocce courts, and they ran a tournament weekly out at Dogfish Head Brewing Company in Rehoboth Beach, Rhode Island, or Delaware. They have 4 big bocce ball courts at their tasting room.
That would be cool.
Yeah,
I guess Al would love that.
yeah.
I'm gonna leave this one here so nobody should be coming around this
Okay.
way.
Thanks, Yuri.
If they do, well, tell them to wait.